Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Redmi 4 Turbo, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the additional settings. Then let's scroll and find Accounts and Sync, and tap on Add Account. Choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and of course I did not make sure that I've got an internet connection. Alright, we are connected, so let's try again. Add account and Google. Alright, so now we can either create a new account if you don't have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and learn more. Here the backup section, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on this account, tap on more and remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.